welcome to another episode of Student Meals. So it's starting to get really cold outside, and what better time of the year than now to drink some very nice hot beverages. So today in this episode I am going to show you how to make 3 easy, delicious and very nice warm drinks perfect for winter time. I hope you enjoyed this episode. We're going to start off by making the warm milk. This is a recipe that my mother and father used to make for me when I was a child and I had a sore throat. So I'm going to make it in my all-time favorite mug that I used as a kid. What you'll need is some milk. I'll be using almond milk, but you can use normal milk as well, honey, and some twigs of fresh thyme. So first we're going to fill up the mug with some milk. There we go. You can either warm it up in the microwave or warm it up in a pan, but I like the quick way, so on to the microwave. Warm up the milk in the microwave until it's nice and hot. Alright, so my milk is very warm and now I'm going to add the honey. This is to taste, I would say about a teaspoon. And now this is what makes this warm milk so nice and so special to me personally. We're going to add the fresh thyme and stir it into the warm milk so that all of the flavors of the thyme are infused in the milk. Also, this way you're going to spread the honey around and stir it all up. Now I'm just going to let this rest a bit, and if you like you can still warm it up even more in the microwave to keep it very hot. Alrighty, let's move on to the next warm drink. Up next we're going to make our caramel flavored coffee. So I already prepared some black coffee in our favorite black coffee mugs. What you'll also need is some milk. Again, I'm going to use almond milk, but please feel free to choose whatever kind of milk you like. And about 2 teaspoons of caramel syrup. This is actually really to taste if you like more caramel syrup, and if you want to make it even more sweeter, of course, add more. So first of all, I'm going to add the milk to taste. If you like a lot of milk, add a lot of milk. If you don't, then don't. And next, add the caramel syrup. Give it a little stir. And it's really as simple as that. Now, if you really want to make it extra delicious, I would recommend adding some whipped cream, but I'm not gonna do this right now. I'm just going to drink it like this. On to the next drink. And last but not least, let's make our tea, which I'm going to serve in this lovely teacup that I bought in Russia. Now you'll also need 1 slice of lemon, a handful of ginger, some honey, green tea, and 2 cups of water. Let's do this. So put your water on a fire and add the ginger. Now bring this to a boil and let it cook for about 5 to 10 minutes. The longer the better. So the ginger makes this the perfect drink for when you're feeling a bit out of the weather. If you're really not feeling well and you're having a big cold, you might also like to add some garlic and maybe some pepper to really clear out all of those airways. Alrighty, so I can see and smell that the ginger has completely infused the water. So now I'm going to take it off of the fire. So when your water is done, pour it into your tea mug, but make sure to leave the ginger in your pot. Now add about a teaspoon of honey. I am also going to add a bag of green tea. This is completely optional, but I just like the extra flavor of some green tea. And finally, finish your tea off with some lemon. And your third hot drink is done. So here you have 3 very delicious and very different hot beverages, perfect for this winter time of the year. Thank you guys for watching this episode. We hope you enjoyed it. And as always, see you in the next one. Goodbye!